Have you ever wondered why birds, bats, and many wild animals are naturally attracted to ripe grapes? They don't read nutrition labels, they don't know anything about antioxidants. Yet somehow, they seek out these small sweet fruits. And what's fascinating is that modern science is now discovering that grapes may be far more remarkable than they appear. A tiny fruit packed with hundreds of biological active compounds that researchers have been studying for decades because of their potential effects on heart health, brain function, cellular protection, and healthy aging. So, what exactly makes grapes so special? Let's find out. Grapes are among the oldest cultivated fruits in human history. They have been eaten for thousands of years across different civilizations, but beyond their sweet taste, grapes contain an impressive collection of nutrients. They provide vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, copper, dietary fiber, natural plant compounds that known as polyphenols. And those polyphenols are where things start to get really interesting. Every day, our bodies are exposed to stress, pollution, sunlight, poor dietary habits, natural metabolic process. All of this can generate unstable molecules called free radicals. When free radicals accumulate faster than the body can neutralize them, they contribute to what scientists call oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative stress can damage cells and tissues throughout the body. This is where antioxidants come in. And grapes happen to be one of the richest natural sources of antioxidant compounds. One of the most famous compounds found in grapes is called resveratrol. It's found primarily in the skin of red and purple grapes, like this one here with me. Grapes produce this compound as part of their own defensive system against environmental stress. In other words, what helps protect the grapes may also help support the health of organisms that eat it. Scientists have been studying resveratrol for years because of its potential role in supporting cardiovascular health and protecting cells from oxidative damage. And speaking out the heart, grapes contain several compounds that may help support healthy blood vessels and circulation. Research suggests that grapes' polyphenols may contribute to maintaining healthy endothelial function, the function of the inner lining of blood vessels. Healthy blood vessels are essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. While grapes are certainly not a miracle food, they can be of a heart-healthy diet. But the story doesn't end with the heart. Researchers have also explored the relationship between grapes compound and the brain health. The brain is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress because it consumes a large amount of oxygen. Some studies suggest that the antioxidant compounds found in grapes may help support normal cognitive function and protect neural tissues. This is an active area of research that continues to attract scientific interests. Here is another surprising fact. Most people think the flesh of the grapes is where all the nutrient is. But many of the most powerful antioxidants compounds are actually concentrated in the skin. That's right, the thin outer layer that many people barely think about may contain some of the fruit's most valuable protective compounds. So, whenever possible, eating grapes with the skin intact allows you to benefit from those natural plant chemicals. Also, let's talk about the color because color matters too. Red and purple grapes contain pigments called anthocyanins. These natural pigments are responsible for their rich color, but they don't just make grapes look beautiful. Anthocyanins are also potent antioxidants that scientists associate with various health benefits. That's one reason darker grapes often receive so much attention in nutrition research. Another benefit of grapes is hydration. More than 80% of grapes is water. That means grapes can help contribute to daily fluid intake while also providing vitamins, minerals, and natural sweetness. Especially during the hot weather, grapes can be a refreshing and nutritious snack. What about digestion? Grapes contain dietary fibers and water, two things that support healthy digestive function. Fiber helps maintain regular bowel movements and support the beneficial bacteria living in the gut. And as we continue learning more about the gut microbiome, we discover just how important digestive health is for overall well-being. Now let's address a common myth. Do grapes cause weight gain? The answer is no. Not by themselves. Grapes contain natural sugars, but they also contain water, fiber, vitamins, and beneficial plant compounds. So, weight gain occurs when total calories intake exceeds the body's energy needs. Like any food, moderation matters. But grapes can absolutely fit into a balanced and healthy diet. Here is one final fascinating fact. Scientists have identified more than 1,600 different plant compounds in that grapes. Think about that. Inside a fruit small enough to fit in the palm of your hand exists a complex natural chemical system that researchers are still trying to fully understand, and perhaps that's why animals have been drawn to grapes for so long. Long before laboratories, long before scientific journals, long before anyone knew the word antioxidant. Nature may have recognized something special about grapes all along. So the next time you eat a handful of grapes, remember, you're not just eating sweet fruit or sweet snack. You're eating one of nature's most studied nutritional package, and that tiny grapes may be doing much more than. Let me know in the comment which do you prefer, green grapes or red grapes. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based health content. Thank you for watching and see you.